Here at North County Indian, we have a 2015 Victory Cross Country 8-ball in color black denim. 106 cubic inch engine with 1,731 cc's and a 6-speed transmission. This bike comes equipped with an anti-lock brake system, as well as a 4-speaker sound system, 2 of which are located in the saddlebags. Previous owner also installed some ape hangers, custom grips, custom levers, a nice cup holder for you, and it only has 12,347 miles on it. Really neat looking pinstripe with the blacked out spoked wheels. Come check it out and take it for a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.